It's time for Sagan's Book of the Day.
Let's go, Sagan Loki. Let's take a peek.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Kids, you can do it. Hey Sagan, what's our book of the day?
SPLAT!
SPLAT! Just like that. Splat like that.
That's a face plant.
Splat.
Face plant.
Okay. So SPLAT is the book of the day. Who wrote it? Illustrator? Design? Whatever?
John Burgerman.
John Burgerman. That sounds like somebody I could like. Okay. What's it about? What happens? This is sort of an action book, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it's sort of an action book. But it's not the kind... Oh, my nose. Okay, it's not the kind where you lift the flaps or anything. How does this action book work?
Let me show you. What happens when you turn the page? SPLAT!
And there's a pie. Oh, there's pie in the face. Oh, hold it up so they can see it. Hold up the pie.
Pie face game. Let's see. Let's see who wins. I win!
Yes, there you got the random. Oh, that's confetti.
That wasn't
hilarious.
so funny, was it?
It's funny, but not that guy.
I'm getting hungry. Are you?
No.
SPLAT!
Peanut butter jelly time.
Who else likes sandwiches? We do. I prefer tacos.
Tacos.
What?
It's raining tacos.
We love
What's
it.
going in the magic book? Okay, why don't we do star ratings?
We love music things. Squash.
Hi, Lucius.
Government. What a
Oh,
mess.
there's blogs and everything.
No.
Ah, look at the little yellow bird. It's like the peat bird.
Whoosh.
Was this better, the same, or worse than you expected?
No more splats, right? Right?
They can't even see that, though.
We got an ice cream. Slowly turn it. No, I see.
Splat! Lucius, you in my light.
Splat! Splat, 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 splat.
Was it better, the same, or worse than you expected?
Splat!
That's 1 star?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you want to finish it once you start reading it?
Splat!
2 stars. Is this your kind of book?
Splat!
3 stars. Do you want to look for other books by John Burgerman?
Splat!
Of course. And did it inspire you, or make you think, or make you laugh?
Splat!
Yep.
Splat!
Can
you do this?
It's the best I can do.
Yeah. High five.
High five. Yeah, we don't even put the books on the show that don't get 5 stars. I think some people watch for a while, they'll figure that out. Right? Boop, boop. There's so many 5-star books out there. Okay. 5 stars to SPLAT by John Burgerman.
That's so great! Kids,
You can do it! Hi guys, it's Loki. Thanks for all your likes and comments and shares. Did you know we make safe, family-friendly playlists on a variety of subjects from other trusted channels too? No pranks, no gross-outs, and no bad behavior. Check one of them out here, or follow us on Twitter to get regular updates. See you again soon!